Have you ever wondered how your smart TV knows what shows to recommend? Or how your smartwatch tracks your heart rate in real time? This is all thanks to a powerful technology called the Internet of Things or IoT. In simple words, IoT is a network of physical objects, devices, vehicles, home appliances, and more that are connected to the internet and to each other. These devices collect and share data, helping us make smarter decisions and automate everyday tasks. Imagine your fridge sending you a notification when you are running low on milk, or your thermostat adjusting the temperature before you even get home. That's IoT in action. It's not just about convenience, it's about creating an ecosystem where machines talk to each other, learn from our behavior, and improve our lives in countless ways. IoT is already being used in many industries. In agriculture, smart sensors monitor soil moisture to help farmers grow better crops. In healthcare, connected devices can track patient vitals and send updates directly to doctors. Even entire cities are getting smarter with IoT, managing traffic, reducing energy use, and improving public safety with real-time data. Of course, with all this connectivity comes the need for strong security and privacy protections. Since IoT devices handle sensitive data, it's important to make sure they are properly secured. But as technology continues to evolve, so does our ability to keep these systems safe. The Internet of Things is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. And this is just the beginning. In the coming years, we will see even more incredible innovations powered by IoT, making our lives more connected, efficient, and intelligent than ever before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one with another topic.